Hey guys, welcome to another day on the shop. Today, it's a busy day. We're kind of doing a lot of different things. Over the next couple of days, I'm going to be doing quite a few different things that don't really pertain to really one main project. So let's get into it. Well, starting out as today, it's getting close to Mother's Day, and I want to cut a couple things. I already have things that I've been cutting for Teacher Appreciation Week on my plasma. Now I've got another sign I want to cut, and I'll do so once I get my computer out. Everything is set up already. Got water in the tray, got my metal up here. Everything is set up. All right, pull up this. Oops. Down here, I got a lot of files. And here we go, 25 amps. There we go. We're gonna cut this sign out. So now we need to jog the machine. If you see it over here, I need to put it right here. So with these controls right here, as you see, it moves. So we're gonna get this to where we want it. So now we're gonna go up here to where it says 0 all axes, and that zeroes everything out and puts the cursor and machine right here in this corner. Now that everything is zeroed out and my cursor and machine's right there, I need to make sure that right here it's the side where it doesn't go over the metal over there, and then the bottom section right here doesn't go over the metal right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to run the machine by hand and just go up and see if it hits that. If it does, we'll move it over a little bit. So that's what we're going to do real quick. So I found an error in the machine, and well, not an error, but an error with where I have the metal. This edge right here comes over this little circle right here, so I need to move the entire piece of metal to where this section isn't going to fit what I want. Alright, so we moved the metal around a little bit and it fits up there because it was an inch difference between the height and the width. So we're going to cut it right there real quick and we'll be done. Make sure you hook up your ground, make sure your amperage is good. Make sure your parameters are right here because I can manually change it in fire control. Finally. Thank you, fire control. So let me do all this real quick. Alright, and let's go up here and click start. Start. So now that this is cut and it looks pretty good, minus the slag that's all over the back, it's not perfect, but the cuts, the speed, it looks like it's a little warm, but it is what it is. So anyway, now I'm going to clean it, and using my Harbor Freight welding slash fixture table with all the modifications on it. Yeah, I enjoy this thing. Take a look at it. It's in the link in the description below towards the video of how I made this way. It's got everything I need on it, all my grinders, all my pads and everything else, my grinding wheels, my wire wheels, everything I could need. The only thing it doesn't have that a lot of people normally put is a power strip. But why have a power strip when I've got drop downs? So I've got a drop down, pull it out, put it here. Heck, I can even use my torch holder and hold it right there if I want to, or just have it drop down. So yeah, pretty cool. I really enjoy it. But anyway, we're gonna clean this up real quick, get it done, get it painted, and then we're gonna move on to the next thing. So yeah, I'm enjoying all this. Hopefully you are too. So let me get into this, and we'll move on to the next thing. I gotta get my lawnmower out of here too, and boxes from other things, and keep cleaning this place up because I've been moving things, and all my welding stuff and everything else is stuck right there, and I need to move it. So that's gonna be in a future video, because shop storage is a big thing, and accessibility is another big thing. And with my car over there in the way, it's kind of not accessible where I want everything. So we're gonna get into all that later, but let's get into grinding this down and cleaning it up, getting it ready for paint. Some other things, if you ever have any time on your hands and you have some welding practice you need to do, as of some welders, I like taking my what is it called, my drops and whatnot from all my metal that I cut, saving them, and you can use them for practice. So there's 14 gauge, there's 16 gauge, I use them all. And then on top of just use them as practice, they also can double up as of just different things, as of brackets, other future projects. So don't throw all your scrap out. If it's little stuff, throw it out. If it's not, keep it, use it for other things. So let's get into this. All right, the hole cut's not perfect, but it is good enough. So we ground down all the edges, got all the slag off, smoothed it all out, so it's not going to really cut anybody unless they actually sit there and try to cut themselves. I might go over these edges one more time just to flatten them out, but other than that, everything else feels good. I always like feeling around to make sure I'm not going to cut myself anyway. But we are yeah, we're pretty much done with the cleanup, and then we're going to put some mineral spirits all over it and clean it with a rag, and then let it dry, and then paint it. Got my mineral spirits right here. Going with this expensive metallic cast. It's not cheap paint, so yeah, it's red anodized. I like how it looks, and yeah, there's the color of it, kind of. You can see it. So I'm gonna use this. Let's paint this. Remember, always do maintenance on your lawn equipment, otherwise you won't have it when you need it, and that gets very annoying. Let's get in the shop. All right, well, it's painted. I like the red sheen to it. You can paint more layers on it and it'll get darker. But I like how I grinded down the mill scale on it and took care of that. So yeah, I want to give a big shout out to Tin Man. He provided all these. I'll put his link in the description below. But he provided all these fonts and everything else with a lot of different tutorials on how to do this and how to make money off stuff like this and everything else. So just like I said, shout out to him. And if you like seeing this kind of content, subscribe, like, and give me a comment down below. Tell me what colors you would like to see as of the shimmy and shine that the metal cast does. So yeah, but anyway, check out the links in the description below for whatever I actually talked about in this video, which was some paint and other things for the plasma and getting some Mother's Day gifts going. But check out my other YouTube channel, 251 Designs. It is all about fabrication, and that's what we're about in different cases. So yeah, anyway, if you have a comment, leave it in the description below. If you like this, give me a like. But until next time.